So, boy, for the last time, as I'm about to leave, this is my advice to every trader that is out there. This is what we've always preached as the Genesis, boy.
Yeah.
Chase peeps, not money. So
Yeah.
and a couple of days you've been saying, master the skill and you'll never go broke. You see?
Yeah.
So once you master the skill of trading, that is where the actual breakthrough comes in, because you can trade for years taking chances. I just saw some shocking results today of a certain mentor that I won't mention on this live, Some people are playing games out there, man.
Yeah, no, some people are playing, man.
Some people are playing games out there, man.
You see, this is what I'm saying, that most, like the success that we see, dog, on Instagram is actually fabricated success. Like, it's an illusion, boy. It's basically an illusion. And, it's so sad that, like, innocent people are being taken for granted.
For granted, yeah.
You know, yeah, no, this is really. I know what you're talking about, dog. I know what
it is what it is. But anyways, as a trader, I believe so much that you can just do one deposit and that's it. You can deposit once into a trading account
and never
deposit again. And obviously that comes with the skill, that comes with mastering your craft, that comes with the right discipline, the proper way of trading and all of that, So we need to groom a different generation of traders. That's my heart desire, boy. Grooming a different generation of traders, a different breed of traders, a different type of traders, a whole different generation of traders that are not the same as the traders that we have now, the traders that we had before we even joined the game. People are selling lifestyle out there. People are selling materialistic things. People are selling phones. They're selling cars. They're selling clothes. Guys, these things don't mean that you have made it in the game. Obviously, these things come with having the money. We don't know how you get that money. We don't know how that money comes to you. The actual money is in the charts, But
we have a minute remaining.
Yeah?
We have a minute remaining.
And that's fine, boy. Let's say our goodbyes, our good night. Shout out to everyone that joined. Please save this live, boy. We'll talk tomorrow.
Yeah, no, guys. Have a blessed evening. Shout out to Major, Mr. L, and other gents who actually joined on this live. And then we'll go live tomorrow again. I'll save the live on my IGTV. You can find it there. Peace out, guys.
Shout out.